Virtual DJ 2025, andito na at meron siyang bagong killer feature, ang tinatawag na stem swap. Halos lahat ng DJ software ngayon meron na silang stem separation, di ba? Ibig sabihin, pwede mong hatiin ang isang kanta into the vocals, the instrumental, the bass, the drums, and so on. Virtual DJ 2025 takes this a step further by adding stem separation doon sa sampler nila. Ibig sabihin nun, pwede kang mag-record ng isang loop doon sa sampler bank, tapos pwede niyang gawan ng stems yun. And then, yung stems na yun, pwede mo silang i-swap into the track that's currently playing. So, sabihin natin, may kanta ka, apat ni Bruno Mars and Rosé, gusto mong tanggalin yung boses nila, gusto mong ilatag yung boses ni Tony Basil na Mickey, pwede mo siyang gawin at the press of a button. So, hindi naman siya super revolutionary na feature, pero napapadali niya yung trabaho natin mga DJ. Kung gusto natin gumawa ng mga ganong klaseng mashups or bootlegs on the fly, it basically takes inspiration from the Alpha Theta Groove 6 na controller. Kung hindi nyo pa nakikita yun, basically what it does is meron siyang groove control sa taas, and it basically lets you swap out the drums of your currently playing song with another drum loop. The concept is pretty much the same, pero this time, pwede siyang i-apply to just about any stem that you have captured doon sa stem swap sampler bank.